Leave them there. Hey, who's that? Do this scroll or? You want to help me with this scroll so I can get some interventions covered? Give me assistance so we can see. It's my mind here. I was thinking